Easy crypto income. Crypto tutorials.
Hi all, welcome back. I'm Spy. Today we'll be taking a look on Metamask Wallet, which is a Google Chrome extension and also a mobile app. We will be focusing only on the Google Chrome extension, and this will be a short guide of how to install it and set it up for use. One of the most important Ethereum wallets that you can use, and we usually use to interact with smart contracts and various other platforms based on Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, is Metamask. Metamask comes as an official Chrome extension. I will give the link down below, so don't worry about it. Or you can just search Metamask on the Chrome Web Store. Anyway, I will now show you how to install Metamask. So we just go to Add Chrome, Add Extension. We wait until the checking and the installation process is complete, and here we go. Here's Metamask. So we need to set it up, basically to get the private key and the words and everything to set it up, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. We're happy to see you. Get started. Yes, let's get set up. If you already have a MetaMask and you have a backup and everything, and you have your seed phrase, you can just restore it from your backup. Otherwise, as new users, we click on yes, let's get set up. So create a wallet, that's what we click on. I agree. So we need to set a password. Try to set a strong password in general. Anyway, now I don't really care because this is a new wallet. I'm not going to be using it at all, so I will just set a whatever password, you know. I have read and agreed to the terms of use and create. So this is the secret backup phrase. So this is very important. It's basically your backup, and whenever you delete the MetaMask, you uninstall it, you get a new computer, or you want to restore your MetaMask wallet, you definitely need this secret backup phrase. So please do not lose it. You can either print it out, you can either take a screenshot, store it somewhere safe. Store it as a JPEG or as a PDF file and store it on an external hard drive. You can store it on the cloud. Anyway, make sure to store it somewhere safe where you can actually access it in the future in case you need to use it and you need to restore your MetaMask wallet. This is very, very important, not just with MetaMask wallet, but with all crypto wallets. There's always the option to restore your crypto wallet, but you need to have the private key, the backup phrase, whatever, to restore from. Otherwise, it's gone. The wallet is gone, everything you had inside is gone, your whole balance will be gone, and that's about it. That will be the end of the story. So please make sure, whatever the backup option is for whatever crypto wallet you use, usually it's a backup phrase, it might be a private key or what have you, please store this very, very carefully and in a place where it will be safe and you will be able to access it whenever you need it. Anyway, I'm just gonna click here to reveal the secret words. Okay, so these are the secret words, what we can do actually. So what I will do is just copy paste. And let's go. And then click next. Make sure that you copy paste these words and then click next, because it will ask them. To make sure that you have copied them and you have stored them somewhere safe. So it's quote evil delay. Where is it? Quote evil delay. Cool copy angry frozen. Cool copy angry frozen. Cool copy angry frozen. Blanket excite ignore. Blanket excite ignore. Bike panther. And confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Okay? So these are some tips on how to store it safely. Anyway, we press all done. here we have it. This is your wallet right here. You can close this and this. This is your wallet right here. This is the address where you can send and receive Ethereum or any other type of ERC20 tokens. Just click once and it's copied on the dashboard. And you can use this address to receive Ethereum or any other ERC20 token. It's pretty basic really. Buy is to buy Ethereum, send is to send Ethereum, and swap is to swap Ethereum for any other ERC20 token. So for example, if we press swap, if we had an Ethereum and we press swap, we would give the amount of Ethereum we want to swap, and we would select the token that we want to swap to. So let's say link, for example. Anyway, would say like 1. Obviously there's not enough Ethereum, but anyway, and then we would click here that says get quotes and make this swap. Obviously you don't have to do it through Metamask. You can do it in exchanges, through Coinbase or any other type of swapping platform, mainly the exchanges obviously. But if you want, there's also the option to get it done through Metamask. You need to take care of the fees, not only of the exchange fees but also of the gas fees as well. So it might be a better idea to swap your tokens in exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, Kraken, Huobi, etc., etc. So if you want, you don't really need to have only one account. You can have many accounts. So if you want to have like this account for one reason and then you need a second or a third or a fourth account, you just click here on this icon and you press create account, and you give the account name, let's say second account, for example. Click create, and that's about it. And now you have a second account. Okay, these are all based on the backup seed phrase that Metamask originally gave us, and this is the one that we can use in the future if we need to restore this Metamask wallet with all the accounts. If you want a third account, again, just press here, create account 3, for example. Press create, and the account is created. If you want to change between accounts, just press here and then just choose the account that you want to use. Account 1, this is the first account. Account 2, this is the second account, and always bear in mind that the wallet address always changes according to the account that you have chosen, right? It's not the same. So please bear in mind. Metamask has a really nice feature, the fact that you can just click once and the wallet address is just copied on the clipboard, and then you can paste it wherever you want. So please bear that in mind. This is a really handful feature. Anyway, and this is about it. Metamask is a really easy to use Ethereum ERC20 wallet. It comes in as an extension for Chrome, I believe for Brave, for Vivaldi and some other browsers as well, so it's really handy. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more tutorials in the very near future. Until next time, take care and be safe.